of use is an important part of the play value. If you can't draw well with it, it can be the best educational tool, but they won't play with it. Fortunately, the paint sticks work very intuitively because they glide gently over the paper. It's like painting with a crayon, and it's really a completely different experience than chalking or drawing, which puts them in their own category. Hi, I'm Joost from Kids Toy Studio, and today I'm looking at the Ooly Chunkies paint sticks. So let's get one out here. So what I particularly noticed is that the paint sticks are easy to hold. The thick barreled casing is perfect for small hands. This way even small children who are not yet accustomed to the correct pencil grip can draw with it, and that's why they're also suitable from 3 years and up. I was a little concerned that you wouldn't be able to draw with it precisely because the paint surface is so large, but when you paint with a small portion of the tip, you can still make precise drawings. It's just a little bit difficult to aim when you first touch the paper, but this didn't seem to hinder the drawing pleasure of both a 3-year-old and a 5-year-old. And the amount of open-ended play and imagination children can apply to more toy features that add to the play value is huge with these sticks, as they can draw anything with them. Now, the price-quality ratio is extremely high, the quality is very good, they last a long time, are sturdy and especially fun to play with, and the price is not much higher than other drawing materials. This makes it a good set to have as drawing material and to rotate with other types of markers or stamps if necessary. Now, the replayability depends, among other things, on the extent to which you can combine it with other toys, how easy it is to carry, and its lifespan and its versatility. Now, the portable design of the Ooly paint sticks is great, and it comes in a sturdy cardboard box with like these rubber band grips on either side to secure the lid. So you can take it everywhere, and it's a perfect activity to take on a trip to the park or even for outdoor use. Now, that ensures that they can use it often and just about anywhere. You can also easily combine this with other toys because it's a very new way of drawing. My son already combined it with markers, pencils, but also with stickers and cardboard boxes. And the versatility is slightly less than other drawing materials such as pencils because it is paint after all, and it's particularly suitable for paper and cardboard, but it is a completely new way of getting creative. A big advantage is that the colors dry quickly and do not run. That means a work of art is instantly ready to show to everyone without the fear of any smudges or stains. Still, it's super easy to mix colors to create new shades in the short time the paint is still wet. It's a nice combination of safety and convenience. Although the paint is made from non-toxic materials, children are not supposed to eat it, so the age limit is 3 years, so they won't be exploring it with their mouths. So with young children it's important to stay with them, but I can let my 5-year-old play with it himself. And the plastic of the sleeve is sturdy and doesn't look like it could break. The paint is in the stick, also stays in place and doesn't come right out of the stick, even with quite firm pressure, so they can last a long time. And it's like a little lipstick where you can twist it and more comes out. So I really recommend this for anyone, well, anyone really. I think every child likes to draw, and this is really a new way to do that.